Hey, beautiful soul! Welcome back to the channel. Or if it's your first time here, I'm so glad you found your way here. I'm Diana, your yoga partner, and today, I'm sharing something super important, the benefits of yoga, and why it might just change your life. If you're new to yoga or unsure if it's for you, stick with me. Because by the end of this video, you're gonna want to roll out a mat today. Number 1, yoga reduces stress fast. Let's start with the big one, stress. Life is busy. Our minds run on overdrive, and yoga, it helps press pause. Just 10 minutes of gentle movement and breath work can calm your nervous system, reduce anxiety, and bring you back to center. For me, yoga became my safe space where I could just breathe and let go. No pressure, no judgment, just peace. Number 2, it builds strength, not just flexibility. Contrary to what Instagram might show, yoga isn't just about flexibility. It builds serious strength too, especially in your core, legs, and back. The best part, it's low impact. That means it's kind to your joints and perfect for beginners. You'll feel more energized, balanced, and confident, both on and off the mat. Number 3, it increases mind-body awareness. Yoga teaches you to really listen to your body. We spend so much time ignoring how we feel, physically, mentally, emotionally, but yoga helps you tune in. You start to notice your breath, your posture, your energy, and once you're aware, you can choose how to respond instead of just reacting. This awareness, it's life-changing. Number 4, mental clarity plus focus. Yoga isn't just a physical practice, it's also a mental one. Slowing down the breath quiets the mind. And over time, yoga actually trains your brain to focus better, stress less, and live more mindfully. I used to be super scattered, overthinking, overdoing, but yoga gave me tools to stay grounded and mentally clear. And that clarity, it affects everything: work, relationships, even sleep. Number 5, better mood plus emotional balance. Yoga is like emotional hygiene. Certain poses help release tension stored in your body, especially the hips and shoulders where we hold stress. Combine that with mindful breathing, and you've got a natural mood lifter. On rough days, my mat became my therapist. Quiet, safe, healing. Number 6, improved self-confidence plus inner peace. Yoga helps you feel more at home in your body. You start moving with more grace. You stand taller. You begin treating yourself with more kindness. Yoga helped me stop chasing perfect and start practicing presence. That's where confidence comes from, being aligned with who you are. Number 7, connection to yourself, others, and the earth. This is the most beautiful part. Yoga reminds us we're not separate. Not from our breath, our bodies, our emotions, or even the world around us. We are nature, we are community. When we heal ourselves, we ripple healing outward, and that's the heart of yoga. So if you're wondering if yoga is worth your time, let me just say, yes. Yes, it is. Yoga changed my life, and it can transform yours too. And the best part? You can start right here, right now. This channel is made for beginners, for real people with real lives and busy schedules. I'll be guiding you through simple, gentle practices you can actually stick with, even if you've never done yoga before. If this video inspired you, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Your first beginner, friendly flow is just a breath away. Let's grow, heal, and flow together. See you in the next video. Namaste.